Are you looking to start a healthy and profitable business in 2024? Well, it takes more than working on the treadmill. You need a business with higher margins and low expenses. Something being popular, having low competition, or being part of a high growth industry does not guarantee that it's going to be profitable. In fact, it could mean the opposite. So if you're starting a business in 2024, be wary of anything that claims that it's printing money, and don't confuse popular with profitable. Here are a few potentially profitable business ideas that you can start right now. Number one, selling digital products. If you have a specific skill set, knowledge base, or experience that you can turn into coursework, a community, or some other form of subscription-based model, selling digital products can be a great option for you. Number two, selling digital services. This is very similar to selling a digital product, except in this case, you're selling your expertise and giving time to clients to help them with things like marketing activities, design, web structure, IT, anything that you have a specialized skill set in that you can then offer as a paid service. They're really highly competitive areas of business, so you're going to need to establish a really great reputation, provide excellent service, and probably rely on word of mouth and referrals, at least at the beginning. Number three, trade businesses. This might sound a little odd, right? But there is a shortage right now. There are less people coming into the field, and there's a really great opportunity for plumbers, electricians, carpenters, anybody in these types of trades to establish their own personal business and to provide a service to a community that needs it. Keep in mind, you are going to need training beforehand and be licensed. So this isn't something you can immediately jump on like services or products online. You need to do the actual due diligence and work beforehand before you can actually launch the business. Number four, cleaning services. This can cover a wide range of options. All you need to do is purchase the equipment and the supplies to get up and running. From there, you just need to start actually getting clients, start with people you know, use word of mouth, again, provide high quality service, get recommendations, hopefully get recurring visits, and you can make a business out of this. It can be cleaning their houses, cleaning their cars, it could be doing yard work. There's a lot of variety here. It requires a little bit of upfront investment, but the longevity of it and your ability to eventually scale with other people means this can be a very profitable business if you get the right clients in place. So these are all potentially profitable business ideas. They do not guarantee that you will be profitable. You still need to create a plan, you need to create forecasts to figure out if you can be. Go check out LivePlan, it'll help you through the entire process.